Beavis and Butt-Head break into a factory to mess around. They find a scissor lift, and Butt-Head puts his hand on the platform like it's a joke. Beavis, without thinking, sits on the control panel and starts smashing buttons like a maniac. Instead of going down, the platform starts rising on its own. Beavis hits even more buttons trying to fix it, but he presses the wrong one and the machine suddenly goes into reverse with no control. The whole thing goes completely out of hand. The platform rolls right out of the factory and onto the street.
Butthead, what do I do? Can't make it stop. Hey, where am I going? What's going on, Butthead? No.
Cars start honking, slamming on the brakes, swerving wildly, and it nearly gets run over. Beavis panics, mashing every button he can see, but nothing stops it. The platform keeps cruising down the avenue, causing total chaos. By pure luck, nobody gets hit. Beavis thinks, yeah, I'm safe, and stands there with a dumb grin on his face. Until, without realizing it, the platform crashes into an electrical cable. The impact knocks Beavis to the ground. He gets up, dazed and confused, and then, suddenly, a car runs him over.